Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone with the Backup Trans Android WhatsApp to iPhone transfer tool. First of all, you will need to visit the official Backup Trans website to download the app for your Mac or Windows PC. Now launch the WhatsApp Messenger on your Android and back up all the chats to your local storage. You also need to go to the developer options on your Android and enable the USB debugging mode. Finally, visit the Google Drive, log into your Google account, and disconnect the WhatsApp Messenger from the Google Drive. You can skip this step if the WhatsApp is not listed under the Manage Apps section of your G Drive. Now it's time to launch the Backup Trans software on your computer and connect the Android device to your computer. We already performed these steps, so just click the OK button. Software will start downloading a modified WhatsApp on your Android. You will have to uninstall or disable the current WhatsApp Messenger from your Android device to allow the software to install that modified WhatsApp Messenger app. You can now disconnect your phone from your computer. After the installation, launch the modified WhatsApp on your phone, verify your number, and restore the chats from the backup. Time to connect the Android device to your computer again. As you can see, software loaded all WhatsApp conversations on its interface. Now select your Android device and click Backup Messages button. To transfer chat from a single contact, click on that contact and click Backup Messages with this contact button. Time to connect the iPhone to the computer. Before connecting the iPhone to your computer, please encrypt your iPhone backup using iTunes. It is also advisable to disable Find My iPhone and iCloud Backup on the iPhone. Also, make sure the active WhatsApp Messenger is installed on your iPhone. Finally, just select the database and click the Transfer Messages from Database to iPhone button. As discussed earlier, software asking to disable Find My iPhone and iCloud Backup on the iPhone. As you can see, app is finally transferring the chats to the iPhone. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us.